Well, let's move now to the 10 weather impact forecast. And for that, we go to 10 TV Chief Meteorologist Jerry Marks.
A lot going on this evening. For the majority of us, the heat is no longer a primary concern. It's these thunderstorms, some of which are severe with gusty winds and hail and very heavy rain that seem to be ebbing and flowing, and they will continue to do so through about sunset this evening. Most notably this storm, severe thunderstorm warning that now includes Madison County, moving east at about 20 miles an hour. Earlier, about 15 minutes ago, it looked like a real hail producer. Now, mainly just a heavy rainer with some gusty winds. Moving toward London, 519, Lily Chapel 546, West Jeff at 549, getting into Franklin County, Darby, Dan, Harrisburg, and Orient between now and 608. That leading edge, that severe thunderstorm warning, that goes until 545. Another not severe storm, but certainly disruptive to our friends in Milford Center, Plain City, and the zoo between 522 and 6:13 p.m. Again, dropping southeast at about 20 miles an hour. Some very active thunderstorms down towards Circleville and Pickaway County. As we expand that view further still, you notice in and around Washington Courthouse. No warnings right now, but a cluster of thunderstorms continues right there around Fayette County. Very heavy rain and some gusty winds, and I do expect that to continue down 33 toward Hocking County and Logan as well. The storm impacts this evening, tornado not a concern. Strong winds, 50, 60 miles an hour, large hail, an inch possible, and then flooding. Some spots seeing over 2 to 3 inches of rain in a very short period of time. So localized flooding is an issue, especially if you get more than one round of storms today. And get ready, because we're not going to see a major change in the air before the next several days. So this evening in particular, 10 weather impact alert for 2 reasons. If you're not seeing the storms, you're dealing with the oppressive heat and humidity. Stay connected and stay tuned. And if we continue to have severe weather after 6:30, after 10 TV, you can always catch us on 10 TV Plus on your connected TV and on your mobile phone. Downtown right now, that gray skies and low clouds out there and the rain earlier really knocked down temperatures. Mercifully, 75 right now. Wind southeast at about 5 to 10, but plenty of humidity out there, and that is exactly what those storms are feeding on in the heat of this afternoon. Now, the 10 weather impact alert for the next several hours up until about 9 p.m. right around sunset. We'll keep that impact alert up. But once we lose the heat of the day, the atmosphere will settle down and kind of behave itself, but expecting a repeat performance for many of us Thursday and Friday and even on Saturday. Take a look at the temperature map tomorrow afternoon. It looks a lot like today because areas that get the downpours and thunder and clouds more than likely getting knocked back down to the 70s and 80s. Kenton, kind of an outlier, probably doesn't get the showers and storms. Bucyrus, 93 and 91. Just keep that in mind. A quick look hour by hour at the forecast tomorrow with the latest models showing active weather right down 23 and everywhere to the east. That's 3 o'clock. 4 to 5 o'clock, that area fades. Another one moves back in, Marysville, Bellefontaine, and London. That continues to move to the east, and on cue toward about sunset, things settle down. But as I said, pretty much a repeat performance on Friday and Saturday, so the active weather and the heat will continue. 10 weather impacts, 7-day forecast. Thursday, disruptive afternoon after a dry morning. More heat and humidity Friday. Second half of the day and the evening, another 10 weather impact alert. Saturday and Sunday, a notch down in temperatures, but still some showers and storms. More the same Monday, but Tuesday, Wednesday could have dry days and seasonal temperatures by the middle of next week.
All right. Thank you, Jerry.